Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to build a simple wooden toolbox. It's perfect for taking in the car. I start by gluing together 3 spruce boards. When the glue has dried, I cut off the edges so that the glue boards are 30 centimeters wide. Then I run the 30 centimeter wide board through the planer a few turns to get rid of the rough surface. Next, I cut the length of the board so that I get 2 pieces that are 40 centimeters long and 1 piece that is 60 centimeters long. I have made 2 markings on each side, one 15 centimeters from the short side and the other 12 centimeters from the long side, and drawn a straight line between them. I take the jigsaw and cut a piece outside the line so that I can fit the piece slanted in the crosscut sled. Unfortunately, I couldn't fit the pieces in the sled anyway, so I'll have to use the small miter gauge that came with the table saw instead. I cut off the milling grooves on 2 boards and cut them to the same length as the bottom plate, i.e. 60 centimeters. Time to drill holes for the handle, which consists of a 32 millimeter round bar. Unfortunately, I don't have a 32 millimeter drill bit. So I pre-drill with a 30 millimeter drill bit and then widen the hole with a 32 millimeter hole saw. The holes I drilled were 12 millimeters deep and the ends are 20 millimeters thick. Therefore, I cut the length of the round bar to 58.4 centimeters. Time to assemble the toolbox. I start by attaching the ends to the bottom plate. I attach these with both glue and screws. At the same time as I attach the second end, I also attach the round bar. I also attach the side panels with glue and a few screws. When I cut away the milled grooves on the side panels, they were only 9 centimeters high. I think that's a little too low. For this reason, I glue on another piece that is 4 centimeters high. It's not very pretty, but it serves its purpose. In any case, it can accommodate quite large tools in some machines.